Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kate and this is Kanded Naturals. In our today's video, I'm showing how I make my okra water gel. This gel I use to detangle my hair before I wash. I also drink part of it as it is a great drink. So I start by washing the okra, and after washing I rinse again with plain water with added some white vinegar to make sure that I kill all germs. So then I proceed to cutting it into small cubes, or rather into small sizes, which then I proceed to add in a container. You can add in anything can hold the okras and water. So there goes my bowl. It is a bowl. So I add my okra in. This round I just use a few sizes, a few pieces, as my hair wasn't that tangled. So after that I add some approximately 500 ml of water, and this is cold water. So with this gel you can use cold water or hot water. You can as well boil the okras, and as they boil they release the mucilage, which now enhances the detangling process. So now after that I cover my bowl and I let it sit overnight. So you give it time to release the slippery fluid, and that is what I collected the following day. So here I am. These are the tools that I'm using, with an applicator bottle, wide tooth combs, a detangling brush, and a scalp massager. So now my hair is already sectioned. I have 3 sections on each side. So now I unravel each section, and then I go in with my okra gel. As you can see, even as it is released from the bottle, it is sticky. It's kinda slipperier. So I apply through my length, making sure that every strand gets the gel. I first start detangling with my fingers. That makes sure that every knot or every tangle is melted by the gel, so that now as I start using the tools, my hair doesn't have any tangles or knots. So I add more gel to make sure that there is that slippery feel to enhance the detangling process. When I feel that section is too big, I section again to make sure that every part is well detangled. So now at this point I go in with my wide tooth comb. This is a strong comb which it cannot easily break. So I make sure that I start with my ends going up to the roots. Then after I finish detangling that section, I twist up and go to the next section. So I continue this process. As I continue, you can see the kind of definition that I'm getting. This is great gel which you can do at home before you wash your hair. It is also a great conditioner. It conditions hair, it softens hair, it melts knots and tangles. So you can see how excited I am about the slip. It has a great slip, which is now what we are looking for. You can see the ends, they are well melted. All the knots that were at the ends, they are all gone. So I continue detangling as I twist up. I'm on the last section, and I do as I did on the other ones. And as you can see, my hairline is cooperating and coming back. I'm so excited about that. I'll be doing a video updating you on where I've come from on matters hairline. And this far I am very excited. Look at those ends, you guys. So I detangle the last part and twist it up. You can see how the comb goes through. That should tell you how the gel does its work. So I twist that up, and now I go in with my scalp massager. My top is all drenched in water, so I'm done doing the detangling and twisting up. So the next thing is to do scalp massaging, which is great for blood flow. It also helps loosen dirt, as I'm doing this before I wash my hair. So my scalp massager does the job so well. You can see how voluminous my hair has grown. My hair has not always been like this because I have suffered heat damage before. I'll explain this in a different video showing my befores and afters. So I go in with my scalp massager. In every section I make sure that my scalp is massaged. Look at that. So yeah, I continue doing that throughout the entire head. Once I'm done, I again go with my fingers. So you can do this with your fingers if you do not have a scalp massager, making sure that you're not scratching your scalp using your nails. So you just use your tips and that's all. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment,